And then a penalty. Again, their ability to offload the ball and keep it alive. It is a feature, and they get their first try. Well, they owe that to the work of Qalowasa, who got them down there.
It all started from the era at kickoff. You knew the Cook Islands' intent was to kick it short and make it contestable, get the ball back. Unfortunately, it didn't go back. And I lost the boot as well, and it was just Toasi. Big bend to the face, eventually getting over it. And Fiji, they opened the scoring for this one.
Sauira. He starts. Good kick and contested. Sauira. Trying to go in between two defenders. He breaks both tackles. Lovely left foot step. Sauira heading towards the post. Started off with a fabulous kick to restart the match. They contested. And then the magic of Sauira with a wonderful try.
Also, the benefit of taking it to the line hard, you can see just went in between two defenders and braced himself, pumped the legs, got through, and then that left foot step just to finish. The ability to also fend and then transition arms.
Talent is all on show here. Now they shift the ball to the right edge. Qalowasa. Lasaqa holds the ball up at the line, can't contain him. Third try. They are good to watch, these Fijian kids.
Oh, just incredible. They've had to do a mountain of defense, and it's just the individual skill from everyone, the footwork, the ability to offload, the catching and passing skills. And that's Fijian rugby in a nutshell, just the offload, always getting there in support, and just a bit of individual stuff here. Just the left foot, right foot step, the dummy.
Vikena, the captain. Lasaqa for Nemani Smith. Oh, a lovely little wrap around, and Lasaqa down the right edge. Lasaqa enjoying the freedom of Sevens. Outstanding open side flanker he is for Tauranga boys. He was in the Ignite, and he's another kid with a big future.
Again, the Fijians just so hard to stop. That little play from his teammate, just drawing in two defenders, and when you engage two defenders, it always means there's an extra person unmarked. And that
loose ball, and they're onto it quickly. The Fijian boys, another offload in the tackle. Nice job, Qalowasa. He's got some footwork, this kid. We talk about the art of deception. Have a look at this kid putting on some footwork when he's not even looking at the defence. Lovely individual try to get something out of nothing.
Said individual brilliance. It was Junior Toasi though, who pounced on the loose ball, just not going to plan for the Cook Islands. You can see just the offload game. And then Qalowasa here with the footwork, just that little dummy out to the right hand side, the goosey, what they call it, and just the acceleration off the mark too. When you've got footwork like that and you can back it up with
the Fijian team, and they're patient. There's the late offload. Good tackle by Producer Elliott, but the offload is on point, and it's going to be Rova Qalowasa.
It was a good try, wasn't it? Fiji kept the ball for a long, hanging in a little bit there on that play, so Fiji found a little bit of space and a beautiful offload to get the ball away in the tackle. And, it's typically Fijian into contact, two offloads and try.
This is how dangerous they can be, isn't it?
Now they go back to the right edge. The clock's gone 14 minutes, so we're now seconds away as Fiji with a chance down the right edge. I'm not going to be able to get any closer.
Should leave the conversion here and just go straight back and take the kickoff.
Gunawawe taps it, shimmies, tries to go himself, he gets the pass off now. Rova, away they go to the left, and takes on the defence. It was Lasaqa, and through he goes, there he is, and Johnny Rova will score the first try of the match.
Well, he's going to score the try, but I spoke about the offloads, and look at the one to give Rova. It's to deck, just waits, ball plays, play around, and pops it up right there. That was nice.
Beautiful pop there. Gonna work. Fiji break through. The Fijian Barbars and flying down this left touch is Vikena. Oh, he's got defence coming across, pops the ball up.
Tackle.
going to ground. Marcel Valence.
Stay 6-6.
Players arriving, just needs the shift, it surely does. And there's the try. Eseroma, Nabuka.
Awesome night here from Fiji, just a dummy and go, powers through the tackle. Does the captain, Vikena. I thought he was away, but look at the chase coming from the inside from New Zealand Māori, form of Hilton. Forces the offload, but in the end, they could have maybe counter-ruck there because they'd sent a lot of numbers in there. The weight of possession, and Nabuka's going to get Fiji and Bud.
10-metre mark Fijian territory, and they've done well to turn this ball over. And off they go, straight through the gap. And there'll be too much pace, will there? Yes, too much pace. And Jone Rova gets it. New Zealand Māori pay with a man in the bin.
Yeah, first time they took it into contact, there was no one in the bridging role, so they got Fijian Barbarians team. You see their hands released. He's on the ball, he's got his own weight, his arms weren't on the ground. And then Rova, as soon as he picks it up, he's just a strong player. Looks so smooth across the deck, and he would just use some power. It was a nice chase in the end, but showing the timing.
Ping through in the side, so off they go once more. Qalowasa. Space down the left again. Strong carrying from this Fijian side. Ball away too. Oh, back on the inside. How good's that? By this Fijian team. And Veveni Lasaqa will score it.
Yellow back on if we need to get him.
Well, again, that's the offloading ability of these young men in the new. Goes around, pushes through. That's a nice offload, but there's another one coming from this young man. Josefa Namosi Malua chops it off brilliantly to the vice.
Kunawabe out wide, and now they spread to the right. Fiji looking to strike back. Nalanga, and then the good fair to strong from Nabuka, and they do strike back and respond in kind.
I can tell you from personal experience, this is so tough to defend. They like these late switches, the Fijians, but they're so deep. And there is very tough to stop. This is the raid in the middle of the field, and they smoke it to the right-hand side, where all the numbers were. But look at this going across field, and then there's that late switch right there. All arms, not enough shoulder, and he just goes through Nabuka.
It's like you're born to do it.